Oh, Jesus, what are you, 12? Driving a car? Really?
Is that really necessary right now?
Okay.
Go for it. 2359.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the patrol vlog. So, we have body cameras now, and I've got 30 seconds of dead air time at the beginning of each one of these videos, so I'll probably do a little bit of narrating then, and then roll into the video. I gotta get used to this new format, so I'm trying to decide whether or not we want to keep it the same as the vlogs I used to do, or I don't know, I gotta figure it out. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Real quick, we've actually been to this hotel before. It's the Super 8, and we are doing another room eviction. This young lady that we're going to meet here in just a minute has failed to pay her bill, and they gave her several extra hours, and now it's almost second half of the day. I think it's after 2 o'clock. She was supposed to have checked out at 11, and they just want her gone. So let's watch. Okay.
So she's supposed to check out at 11 in the morning. It's 3 o'clock and nothing happening. And she's in room 125, that's on the other side of the bottom floor.
Okay. So should I drive around there?
Yeah, she's there. If you knock the door, she'll be there. If I have to come, I'll come over there too. I have no problem.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, do you have like a...
I do have an ID and everything. There's nothing like that.
No, I meant like a room key, because if she does, so I'll go knock. If she doesn't answer, then I'm going to have you come and open the door for us.
But she will open the door.
Okay.
I've been there too, a couple of times already. I knocked the door, she opened the door, but she's yelling at me and stuff like that. So
Okay. All right, perfect. I'll let you know.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Coming right now. Hang on. Stop it. Move. Oh my God. I'm coming. Stop it. Hey, listen. How long is it going to be before you get here? I have the police here. Well, I don't know what to say. Oh, you say it. What? You say it.
Can you put on speakerphone? I can't.
I don't know. John, are you there? His name is John.
Hey, John, this is the police. What is it? What's going on? Are you coming to pick her up?
Yes.
What time is that? Hold.
It's not.
Can you turn the volume up on that?
I'm trying. I don't know. I'm trying.
There we go.
I guarantee you, give me my word, I will be there.
Okay, I'm sorry, John. The volume was kind of low. You said what time would you be here?
I'll be there at 3.
Okay, which it's 3:10 now.
I'm putting the thing.
That's the speaker's down here. Speaker's on the bottom. Okay, all right.
And he'll have money.
Okay, well I get. Okay, perfect. All right. So
I'm not doing anything wrong. I just he had the money and I don't have the money, and then I tried to call my daughter, and she.
Well,
that's how this whole thing started, because my daughter booked the room, and then I don't know. And then it just turned into slap happy crazy. That's what happened.
Well, so here's the thing. I'm gonna have to double check with him. I don't know if even if you have the money, staying longer is an option or not. I think he kind of wants you gone, but I'll go ask.
But I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't make any noise. I didn't do anything.
Right. It was just you were supposed to check out today and you didn't.
Correct.
Okay.
That was the only thing I violated. That was it. I didn't. I wasn't playing the radio. I wasn't
No, that's
having an
yeah. No, they
argument
didn't.
with anybody.
No, nobody complained about that. That's fine. I get that. So.
Where were you 10 minutes ago?
I don't know. No idea.
Oh, that was slap happy, cray cray.
Okay.
Just saying.
Well, here, do me a
But
favor.
I've been very quiet.
Okay. What's your first name?
My first name is Debbie.
Debbie. Hey,
And
Debbie,
they
do me
have-
a favor.
they-
Debbie.
they have
Debbie.
kept to
Debbie.
themselves.
Focus.
Okay.
Go back in your room for right now. All right. I'm gonna go talk to the manager. I'm gonna find out if he's okay with you staying if they come pay.
For a few minutes, just for a little bit, not like a day, just a little, like an hour, like a little bit.
Well, hold on. So let me ask you this. You said that this guy that's coming has money. Are you trying to stay here longer, or are you checking out?
I just want to stay overnight.
Okay, so you want to
so
stay
I
one more.
can focus a plan and get a
But are we going to run into the same problem tomorrow?
no, sir. No,
Okay.
because I
Well,
won't be here. No,
okay.
no.
Well, listen, I will go ask, but if he says, no, I just don't want to deal with this, you're still going to have to leave, and your friend John can take you to another hotel, but I'll go ask. So why don't you just hang out in the room for a minute? I'll come back, and I'll let you know where things stand.
That would be perfectly fine.
Okay, I'm glad
and
you...
I just want to get myself together in case you come back with a bad answer.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
That's all I have to say.
All right. So she's there. She answered. She was on the phone with a friend of hers who was coming to, I guess, either pick her up or pay for more. And so I told her, I said, well, I don't know if they want you to stay here or not. I'll go ask. So if this person comes and pays for one more night, do you?
No.
You don't want her here?
Yeah, because I have to call you again. 2 days ago, this is the same situation happened. I have to call the officer. The money came at 10 o'clock at night.
Okay.
So at this point, I tried. Yeah.
Just done with it. Okay. Fair enough.
If they have money, they can take it somewhere else. I don't need money.
Okay. Perfect. No, that's all I needed to know. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hi. So I talked to the manager. They don't want you here anymore. They said that this same thing happened 2 nights ago.
What?
Where they
I
had to
wasn't
call.
here 2 nights ago, sir.
They had to call us, and they said the money didn't come until like 10 o'clock at night.
I wasn't here 2 nights ago. I was under the bridge. I wasn't
or a
here
night
at
ago.
all.
I don't know. He said this has already happened once. So he basically just said no. He needs you to check out, and if your friend John has the money, you can grab a motel somewhere else tonight. So there's no. I'm not trying to be like rude or anything. There's no buts about it.
Neither am I. I'm
it's his.
trying to be polite.
Yeah.
Also,
It's their business.
promise.
They have the right to say it.
I understand that.
I'm just here to make
okay.
it as peaceful as
Can
possible.
I please ask you a question?
Sure.
Can you give me at least like 20 minutes to get my things together?
Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna hang out. We have to stay, but
That's
you have to
fine.
start
but, I mean,
moving
I'm doing
forward.
That.
Yeah.
No, I can't do it in 2 minutes.
No, I understand that. As
Like,
long as you're.
Okay, yeah, 5 minutes.
Yeah, as long as you're
Game on.
making forward progress, but I can't sit here all day either. So
I understand
is John's on his way, right?
Correct.
You're supposed to be?
Correct.
Okay. Then yeah, I'm gonna hang out in my car with my partner. Please.
But I'm taking everything and I'm moving it close to the front door. That's
Pack
I'm
everything
having a
up.
problem
Make sure
getting out.
make sure it's ready so when he gets here he can throw it in his car. Because here's the deal, I'm gonna just be real honest with you. If he shows up here in 15 minutes and you still haven't packed anything up,
I'm fucked.
then I'm not gonna stand around for that. It's gonna get
all right.
kind of tossed out here
All
on the
right,
sidewalk.
well, listen, I don't want any situation, and
Me
you don't want
either.
any situation, and
Cool.
P.S. I wasn't here 2 nights ago. I was across the street.
Okay, yeah, maybe it was a night. I don't know.
It wasn't me.
He seemed pretty confident about it. The
But
same
it was-
situation.
Well, if you said, let me check your records, it really wasn't me.
Okay.
Anyway, in the meantime, I'm going to pack and
Yes.
we'll go forward. I'll
Please.
go forward.
Perfect. Just maybe give John a call back. Double check he is on his way.
Hurry your happy ass up. How about that?
Yeah. All right.
Okay, I
Thank
can
you.
say that.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay, well, in the meanwhile, I'm going to
Yep.
continue to go forward with this.
Perfect. All right. I will not interrupt you. I'll be over here.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
My light.
You couldn't hear it?
I was signaling you that it wasn't happening.
Okay. I didn't know if that meant turn it off
No,
or that it
I
wasn't.
meant it's not happening.
What's the number again?
269-4322. Oh, Jesus, what are you, 12? Driving a car? Really?
Is that really necessary right now?
Okay. See? Told you. Oh, wait. Did you hear that? There. I'm not even playing. Yes, it was like around here.
I'm assuming it's maybe just on silent. You sure you didn't just set it on the counter? Because you were talking to that guy when I was with you.
Please leave your message. I did not send it on. No, I did not.
Asking.
Or I wouldn't have come out here and asked you to go through all this nonsense. I promise I didn't do that. I'm not that stupid. No, I didn't do that. I'm having a crisis situation. Do you think I would lose my phone? No, I think not. I think I'd be calling somebody for help me now.
Right.
So I wouldn't.
Okay. I was just, thinking like if you could retrace your steps, because you were on the phone with John, and just of what you did with it. If you put it down somewhere, like on the bed, maybe it's just under the sheet.
Everybody came here and told me to go here,
Right.
which is fine, but I don't know. Did I toss it in a basket? I don't know.
Okay.
I'm losing my mind. I don't know.
Okay. All right.
You know what?
I'm sure it's here. It didn't disappear.
If you call, okay, I'm gonna try really hard right now to get myself together. I'm on the crazy train, and I take medication, so I'm not on the crazy train. And now my phone is lost. I'm like, I'm trying not to.
It's just
snap
misplaced.
out.
It's here. It didn't disappear. We didn't lose it. It's just somewhere in here.
I think.
Well, is John still coming? As far as we know.
I don't know. I don't care.
Do you know John? Well, you should.
I don't sleep with him. I only met him twice.
That's not what I was asking. I just meant for a ride.
He's not my boyfriend.
Okay, I didn't ask that either.
Jesus.
Hi, puppies.
And you know what? They're pretty damn well behaved.
They are.
Everybody thinks they're killer animals. No, they're not. They're
very nice puppies.
He's 13.
Nice. Oh, thank you for the kisses.
He's 13. He's
for the
He's
kisses.
grandpa.
Okay.
This is my teenager. He's 8.
Do you know John's number?
No, it's in my phone.
It's in your phone? Okay.
I don't know anybody's number. I don't know anything.
All right. Would you be okay if I stepped in and just looked to see if I saw it sitting out somewhere? Maybe just somewhere.
Absolutely. You can do whatever you want. Come on, boys. Boys. Come on. It's okay. Boys, it's okay. They might jump on you. Come on, boys. Stop! All right.
Literally, it's right here, plugged in on the counter. Remember what I said? Did you look on the counter? And you're like, I wouldn't be that stupid. Hey.
Well, all right.
No.
All right. Oh, let me tell you who's stupid now.
Hey, be nice. He's just nipped. It's all right.
Okay. He doesn't know.
It's okay.
He thought you were.
It's okay. I understand.
A good boy.
It was just my
He's
pant leg.
confused.
Okay, I know. So, can you call John now that you have your phone?
That's what I'm going to do.
All right, perfect. Now. Keep going. Oh, my heavens.
Well,
what's all over the floor?
Thing. Well, they have to activate it.
Okay.
It's not activated.
All right. So you have everything, though. Everything.
Well, doesn't it look like it?
Yeah. I mean, unless you want that styrofoam thing of food, but that's about it. What is all over the floor here?
I don't know. My dog's knocked over the water. It's water.
Okay, as long as it's water.
It's water.
All right, that's fine.
They kicked the bowl over because they were they're big and they were getting silly. They kicked the bowl over. It's nothing. It's water.
Okay. I'm just asking.
It's just water. I didn't put terrible things there. I didn't put drugs or anything there.
Okay, nobody said that.
It's just water.
All right.
Just water.
Okay. Like I said, just try and start walking those things one at a time. At least just get them off the property, and then when John comes by or whatever, you'll be set. All right?
I'm not going to be set until you get your gun with a bullet in your head. What's that?
The room key. Everything's out of the room. She's starting to move it just off the property there, and there's supposed to be a guy that's coming to pick her up. I checked the door. It's closed. It's locked. If she's still here, in an hour or so, call us back, but hopefully the guy comes and picks up the phone.
And it's not bothering you, no disrespect to anybody, so if she's waiting for somebody, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm not picky.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Give me what?
All right, everybody, thank you for riding along with me today. Again, a little bit of a different format than I used to do before. I'm going to try and kind of bring it back to the way it used to be. I've just got to get used to this new setup. So here's a little bit of driving while I narrate the end of this, because one of the things that I'm not allowed to do is film in the car on duty anymore. So I can't do the wrap-ups and different things like I did before. So I'll probably start doing those, but I'll just be doing them like in my own car and in plain clothes and talking about the calls in between. So I wanted to get started with this one. I know you guys have been asking for these for so long, and trust me, I've wanted to do it, but I had to wait on this process. So hopefully as I start making more requests and obtain more of the body cam footage, I will get more patrol vlogs out to you guys. In the meantime, if you're not already following me on Instagram, I do a lot more updates than I can do on here in between. And if you're new here to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications when they come out, and hopefully we get back on track with these patrol vlogs. I give you a little bit of a insight of what we do day to day. So now this call was not very exciting, but like I've always told you guys, the idea behind these is not for the TV drama. It's to show you what we do on a day-to-day basis in dealing with the public. And if you couldn't tell in this situation, a very simple call. I mean, it took 15 minutes of video here, and that was editing out a bunch of dead time in between. But you see what it takes just to deal with the public and talk to them. And that's why I always tell you guys who ask, what can you do to prepare for law enforcement? And I tell you, get a job in the service industry, become a waiter, become a waitress, work in customer service, work at a retail store, something where you have to deal with the public day in and day out and learn people's personalities, the easy people, the difficult people, the fun people, because you're going to deal with all of those people as a police officer, and you need to know how to talk to them. So again, not exciting stuff, but this is the kind of stuff I want to show you guys so you could see what you'd be getting into as a law enforcement officer. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was a nice little dip back into the patrol vlogs. So until the next video, take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.